All right, 14 March 2023, right at 10 a.m. I just took a picture of the thermometer. We're at 22, creeping up on 23 degrees, so that's right around -5°C. Okay, we're trying a bundt cake today. That's my first gluten-free attempt. I'll run you through the setup here, or the configuration. I'm back to my old standard, the Sun Funnel from Tiongtan, and I've just got a large lid on there. It doesn't go all the way to the edge simply right now because what I call the donut is in there, and the donut is the base of the halogen bowl, or convection of it. A lot of them are halogen. Once the head conks out, I will remove that and I keep the donut now. I didn't always do that. I've thrown several away, and I am kicking myself now for having done so. Okay, this is the bowl from the halogen bowl cooker. I forget what the capacity is right now. Inside of that is a Anchor Hocking 4-quart bowl with a, now you can't get it anymore, Mainstays bundt pan. It drops in. I stumbled onto that while I was still trying to duplicate the hot pot bowl setup. I could get by with a smaller lid on top, but should a neighbor's dog or something, this won't slide off and it will still cover this big hole. The only reason I use that donut is because sometimes the lid that I'm using underneath will poke up and won't let a regular lid seat all the way. All right, I am a Midwesterner of Scandinavian descent. That means I have a tendency to ramble, so I will try to cut the rambling down to a bare minimum and get this baby rolling here. So, I can scooch my shelving mat a little farther underneath the cooker. Alright, I'll get my Sunside out here. Okay, so that's what it up against. Got about half hour's worth of lead time there. So that's what it looks like in the sunshine. It's just after 10 a.m. Thanks to the good old daylight savings time, they've stolen an hour from me in my mornings before work, so that's probably done for the rest of the year. This is a day off, so let's see if we can see how far down that bundt pan sticks down there, if I can do it without getting you too seasick. There we go. So we are off and running. First cake of 2023. And it's only been 30 minutes, and man, I smell cake already. Warm in there. I think I'm just gonna bump it ahead and come out a little bit later. Well, I've already got some steam and stuff on the condensation on the outer bowl. Let's see if I can show you that. Down there. I'm gonna rotate it. Oh yeah, it's the you can tell it's still liquidy in there. So I'm just going to, let me get this out of the way and do that without dropping it. I am going to, that didn't work out like I'd planned. Just going to give myself another 30 minutes here, and we'll come back. Looking good, smelling good too. All right, hour in, smelling very cakey. It just looks so moist yet here. I am going to take a look. Whoa, is that cranking hot? Oh. All right, here we go. Wow, that's really risen up. I doubt that it's done though. Let's take a poke. It's an hour in. No way. That's coming out clean. That's coming out clean. Where is it here? I can't see. There we go. Twice came out clean. No way. All right, so 14 March. First cake of 2023. First gluten-free cake ever for me. So I'm calling that a success. My waistline might not be, but I'm happy. I'm happy with that. Thanks for tagging along. Our start temp was 22 degrees Fahrenheit. That was roughly -5, between -5 and -6C. We're in southern Minnesota, Freeborn County. Thanks for coming along.